Understanding collision avoidance, a key to safer communication and technology. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's crucial not just in everyday life but also in the world of technology and communication: collision avoidance. This concept, while simple on the surface, plays a significant role in ensuring safety and efficiency. So, whether you're navigating through traffic or sending data across networks, understanding collision avoidance is key. Let's get started. First, let's break down the phrase into two parts: collision and avoidance. A collision refers to the act of two objects coming into contact with each other, often resulting in damage or disruption. This could be anything from cars bumping into each other on the road to data packets clashing in a network. Avoidance, on the other hand, is the action of keeping something from happening. It's about taking steps to ensure that a potential problem doesn't occur. So, when we talk about collision avoidance, we're referring to the measures and technologies designed to prevent collisions from happening in the first place. It's about predicting and preventing accidents before they occur, ensuring safety and smooth operation. On the road, in the context of driving, collision avoidance systems in vehicles use sensors, cameras, and radar to detect potential obstacles, warning the driver and, in some cases, automatically applying the brakes or adjusting the steering to avoid a crash. In technology, in the digital world, collision avoidance is crucial for preventing data packets from interfering with each other in a network. Techniques like carrier sense multiple access with collision avoidance (CSMA, CA) are used in Wi-Fi networks to manage how devices transmit data, ensuring smooth and efficient communication. In daily communication, even in everyday interactions, the concept of collision avoidance can be applied metaphorically. It's about anticipating potential misunderstandings or conflicts and navigating conversations in a way that avoids these issues, ensuring clear and effective communication. Understanding and implementing collision avoidance strategies is vital for safety, efficiency, and harmony. It reduces the risk of accidents, ensures data is transmitted effectively without loss or delay, and can even help us communicate more effectively with those around us. By being aware of potential collisions, whether physical or metaphorical, and taking steps to avoid them, we contribute to a smoother, safer, and more connected world. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the crucial concept of collision avoidance. Whether on the road, in the digital realm, or in our personal interactions, understanding and applying this concept can make a significant difference in preventing accidents and misunderstandings. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of collision avoidance and how it impacts various aspects of our lives. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.